blay pibro. Hobnai August, Jongusnem Arhajar Kadei, Ngilaplat, Yaka video. Kabakran Shapang, ki Illuminati, ka depopulation agenda, but ki Georgia Guidestones. Lada Pynbthei Iaki episode. Tingi ong shapi, bapiriban ped, yaka toko video ka barim. Shwaba Pynbthei Iaki episode, kabangi bo menta. Haka Henry utarik jongu July, jongusnem arhajar arpuar. Ubetei ubom, hawe ulum, jongkawe ka chaka, kabadon na po, Georgia. Kajing betei jong ni ubom, kalapin julor ya kawe ka jingtei, kabladon hangi, lakumba, saupo snementa. Yakani ka jingtei, latip kumkita ki Georgia Guidestones. Yakini ka jingtei, la shnari ki mau granite, but ka jingkya jungki kalong kumba arlakton. But hagini ki jingtei, la tho, yakita ki an, babaro ki briu jungani ka perthei, ki diban bod. La kumba saupo snementa, kim donre ki batip, yaunong shna, ubala shna yakini ki Georgia Guidestones. Henry hagani ka video, ngin siya thu ipi, baudei mano. Balay buni unong shna, ukwaban buri, yakakarteng ka jangu. But balay balapan betay no yakini ki Georgia Guidestones. Hato kalaban day, namar bahagini ki Georgia Guidestones, la thopen shy, bagariban san shar tangkawi ka government, yakaparthay brokaway, lani katak one world government. But kumjuru, bandon kajing paduna bariu, hakaparthay brokaway, lani katak a depopulation agenda, but ka new world order. Hobnai June jongusnem kadei spa nyopu kandai. Uway ubriu ubapandon kam da kakarteng talk, lani kataga pseudonym. Ubakot yaladi Robert C. Christian, uyakandu ya Joe Finley. Ubalong utray jungka Alberton Granite Finishing Company. Ban pa shna yakitaki mau, kibaki kotmenta, ki Georgia Guidestones. But ulaongru bahagini ki Georgia Guidestones, deban tho, yakataka message lani yakataka kubor, nagabanta ki brio hagini ka perthei. Uni ubriu ubakot yaladi da kakarteng R.C. Christian. Ulakwa banbo yakitaki shpautuli ki hukum nagabanta ki brio hagani ka perthei. Uni u R.C. Christian uong ba udey member jangkawe ka society lani kawe ka kanhon kabadan hari Amerika bad ba mau bad kani ka kanhon ki kwa banbo yakini ki shpautuli ki hukum ki bathamay nagabanta ki brio hagani ka perthei. Bad yakini ki hukum hau niu mau lahat ho hau pratali ki ktien ki bapher jangani ka perthei. Hagaktien Arabic, Chinese, English, Hebrew, Hindi, Russian, Spanish, but Swahili. Lathoru yakitaki hukum. Hagakantien Egyptian, Babylonian, Hebrew, but Classic Greek. Hagaporbo Robert Christian, ulabatay, kumnuban shna yoni, monolith, lani yoni Guidestone. Utray junga company shna granite, Finley, ulalingongan. Namarbu R.C. Christian, ukwa, bo Finley shna yoni umao, tik, kum ki maubana, ki bala shna, but bala bo, na ki po hajar shna menchua. But nakabanta kata, ki don kami ki mau granite, da ki po lakton, pan pendep ikaniga jingtay.
The four standing stones should outline the migration of the moon over a year. A small viewing hole in the middle support stone will need to always show the North Star. A slot at the top of the middle support stone should align with a winter and summer solstice's rising sun and indicate noon at the equinoxes. A hole should be drilled through the capstone that focuses the sun on the center column at noon to indicate the day of the year.
R.C. Christian ulabu yakawigi jingarpat hakapor bagishna yiki Georgia Guidestones. But kaniga company ka bashna kalalingongan. Namar bagataga jingarpat kalong bagini ki Georgia Guidestones kadiban nebet hadu kasngi bakut ka perthei. Joe Finley utray jung kaniga company bashna granite ulamut baudi R.C. Christian udi ubit. Namar bagimpa jio kanu ka chat project kumkani. Ka company ka jongki ka shnai ki mau granite ki barit paria, but ki statue, but ki weide. But hakaporbu Finley ula perkhat ba kumno unai daw, banum shnai kita ki jingtei ki barem. Ula ong ho R.C. Christian, baraban shnai ki ni ki jingtei, kandot ligi pau kuror tingka. Namar bo riu shimet don kata kapisa. But kani ikan long kawini ki daw, banum shimshu ikan ika project, kumbakwa hi utrai jo kani ika company. Hakata ko por URC Christian uloong bakidon ni kapisa. Namar ka organization ka jongki kakwa pan pendep ikini ki Georgia Guidestones. Hang tau Lano Ngin Kyndit baru latib ba u Robert C. Christian umut shisha ban pashnai kita ki Guidestones. But u Fenli umla ban ong ikan ni kapisa kababun. U Robert C. Christian ulai kandu u manager jaga Granite City Bank u Wyatt Martin. But u Martin ula manager bakin snai ka account. Hakabau Robert Christian unyoban pai ka funds lani kata kapisa nakabantawan tay ikini ki mau. Tangkuwi ka jingwit kalong baya kani ka account emla ban sna hakakarting jong RC Christian. Namaru RC Christian wide ka karting tok iki breo. But day hang tabu RC Christian siya tuhok ika karteng lajong banyo play ika nika account but ula ongru home Martin buong day banya tu brio ika karteng basisha ka jong u but ika ka organization ka ba mau udan benta but day tang Wyatt Martin ubatip shisha ika karteng unong shna jong ki Georgia Guidestones hava buon ki brio buon ki channel buon ki news reporter kila kali but kila wad jingtip no Martin ika karteng basisha jong Robert C. Christian ju yatu Daladap set up ika taka bank account haka karteng ba shisha jung RC Christian. Tad hangta bo RC Christian unsa thiet ika wika jaka ka baheb ha kabadon san ekar. Hapo ka shinong Georgia bad hangta kilastang ban shna ikita ki Georgia Guidestones. Bad daladap shna ikini ki mat RC Christian ulaja. Yaki Georgia Guidestones la play padba haka arpo arterik ubanay March jong usnem kadei spa prapo. Kabarega sngi jong vernal equinox. Manlo snem bon ba kibrio kiwan bun pet yakini Georgia Guidestones. But how new Georgia Guidestones la tho ikitakish potali ki hukum jong Robert Christian.
Maintain humanity under 500 million in perpetual balance with nature. Guide reproduction wisely, improving fitness and diversity. Unite humanity with a living new language. Rule passion, faith, tradition, and all things with tempered reason. Protect people and nations with fair laws and just courts. Let all nations rule internally, resolving external disputes in a world court. Avoid petty laws and useless officials. Balance personal rights with social duties. Prize truth, beauty, love, seeking harmony with the infinite. Be not a cancer on the earth. Leave room for nature. Leave room for nature.
Hakapor ba pipet ningkong pinsngo bagitagi spotli ki hukum jong ni Georgia Guidestones kilong ki babiang hi. But pindapet bahay kakato kanitali kitagi hukum ki balato hangni kilong ki basnguk ting. Namar ba kini ki hukum kilong ki hukum ki bansa tao yakataka New World Order. Banwan lam yakataka One World Government lani kaway ka sarkar bansan syari ka Pynbthei. Handray buon ki brio ki ong bagini tangi conspiracy theories but amdan evidence lani amdan kataka sabut syafhang gadi. Kamday gumta kabuon baga evidence kabuon baga sabut but ngin batay yapi menta. Kabaning kong du kapon balato au New Georgia Guidestones. Kaong baya ka population ng kibrio ha Pynbthei di ban control but kibrio kim di ban tam ka san krurngot ha barokwi ka Pynbthei. Ka population menta ha Pynbthei barokwi kadei pra billion kabamod ba kumba praspa krurngot kibrio ki dan ha Pynbthei. Te perkat mapi ba kanungot kibrio ki haban yap ban penduna ya ka jingbon jong kibrio ha ka Pynbthei bandap tekat kum ka jingkwa jong kini ki brio ki basnayu Georgia Guidestones. Buon bagi scientists, buon bagi ruhan ki support ya kadaka agenda. But buon ni kita ki brio ki don benta hakaway ka society ka baki kot the Club of Rome. But ki brio ki badon na kini ka society ki ya keren naman ta ki agenda but ki issues ki bakantup ya ka Pynbthei barokaway. But kaway ni kita ki issue kalong ka depopulation agenda. Yagani ka society ka bagi khat the Club of Rome lashna ya ka hau khat praspa an rupupra the ka Morgan Tau Group kabayadon bentalang bad UJD Rockefeller hau bnai August jung usnem kat kandai spa prapo tang hadin katuka di benai balada penyeng yakini ki Georgia Guidestones way niki member jongka Club of Rome Howard Autumn ulaong bakari United States kariban pendunai ka population ka jongka hapo sanpo snem.
It does mean if you want the same standard of living, we're going to have to cut our population in the U.S., for example, certainly to 1/4. But we have so many wasteful things that won't be hard.
You say it won't be hard to cut the population by 1/4?
It just takes one generation to get a population down. If nobody bred for one generation.
Ka Bilderberg Group, ki members siyang ka group ru kidan bantabar ka Club of Rome, but ka Bilderberg Group ka support ka juga agenda. Pidi bantip bikinong yalam jong ka Bilderberg Group, ki akandu shiki jakabari. Lani ki don ni kita ki secret meetings ki jong ki, but sha iki media, lani iki padba, banya don banta, lani bantip, ka jing ekran baga jing tumu jong ki hakini ki secret meetings. Ki bon bagi theories ki baong, baga ka Bilderberg Group, kaya le, banya ekran ni ki issue, lani kita ki agenda, bari ban shna, ki biological weapon, lani ki klam ki boper, ban pang ki brio ka Pynbthei, kanang banduna ka population. But ka Bilderberg Group ka control, kumba kandai 4%, ki media, jongkari Amerika bat ka Pynbthei barokaway. Kanang ba ki media kin penitang ita ki kubor, bamaki ki kwa. But kini ki companies ki tray kamlang bat ka Bilderberg Group, bat ki government boper. Ban nani ban kanglat lara ki brio, ki yad persya yaki. Founder lani utaw nong shna jong ka Bilderberg Group, uday Prince Bernard, uday Nazi officer, hakapor jong tamaba abalingkong. Baru Prince Bernard ulaong bagi tama kin sa pendunay ki brio haka Pynbthei. Tila da jur katama, da bon katama, hakiri boper, kin bon ki brio ki bayap. Katama, ki klam ki boper, ki biological weapons, ki vaccines ki boper. Da ka bapenon kami yakini ansala man pendep kata ka agenda ka jongki. Kapoin ka baar hapo Georgia Guidestones. La tho baliban pendunay ka jingkai ki kalung hagani ka Pynbthei. Robert Christian ula tho ikwi ka kot ka bakarteng ka common sense renewed. But ula sa megani ka kot shikinong ilam jongkiri boper. But ula ongru bagi sarkar boper jong ka Pynbthei barokaway ki divan don ka population policy hakaba sha bandon kun tang iway lani arngut. But divan penbor bit ikilong kami bakim divan kasuk Henry ki divan late bit ka C-section. Knang bagi numiolad ban kabun ngut ki kun.
It is vitally important that each national government have a considered population policy. The need is urgent and should take precedence over other problems, even those of national defense. Responsible parenting will consider both genetic and environmental factors. We must seek to produce healthy children and then to mold their characters and to develop their potentials as socially worthwhile adults who will in turn carry the process indefinitely into the future. We have a grave duty to use all available knowledge in perfecting the forces which guide our procreation. It is within our power to leave behind us a new generation of humanity, slightly superior to our own in intellectual, physical, and social capabilities. New generations of single-child families will make possible dramatic improvements. Irresponsible childbearing must be discouraged by legal and social pressures.
Rockefeller, way ki member bashnay ka Club of Rome. Uday mauhi bashnay ka Population Council. How kandai spa san pusaw. But ka Population Council ka support ka birth control, but ka early birth termination, lani ka abortion. Kani ka council ka trekam hadumanta, ki trekam hakiri boper, ka trekam ba hapo Asia but Africa, lada pipet ka trekam kambun hakiri ki bomdoni ki doli. Kani ka laman bu ka jingkali, babalay ki isi ki doyong, but even pendunay ki wiki jad bandriyo, but even sinshar tang ki doli, hakata ka New World Order. But kani ka council ka penlut ki 4 million, man lausnem, but ka pisa ka 1 nakari Amerika.
Modern civilization had reduced the operation of natural selection.
by saving more weak lives and enabling them to reproduce, resulting in a downward trend in genetic quality. An organization needed to be created that would be devoted to the reduction of fertility of weaker individuals with undesirable genetics.
Kiwede ki points ki bala tho hauni Georgia Guidestone kilong badibandon tangkawi ka kantiin banyak kerana ka Pynbthei Iaki tangkawi ka pisa bat tangkawi ka sarkar bat kawi ni ki point ka bopen smusi bah yaki kristan kadigani bala tho rule passion faith tradition and all things with tempered reason. But yikini baro lade betulupa haka kodjing penpau. Lani kata ka Book of Revelation. Ladon ru kijing ong na kibriu baki jiu ki satanic rituals lani ka jing manik suwit haka ni ka chaka badon gini ki Georgia Guidestones. Namar baki lab snam but kilab ru iki mombati ki balalip.
Improved public health has caused the world's infant mortality rate to decline by 60% over the last 40 years. In the same period, the world's average life expectancy has increased from 46 years in 1950s to 63 years today. The negative impact of population growth on all of our planetary ecosystems is becoming appallingly evident.
Hadien bo Robert Christian unong shna jongkini ki Georgia Guidestones ulaja buon bahagi brio kiale aban wat ya u bari ka kerteng ka washisha ka jongu buon ki boong bo try jong ka CNN u Ted Turner u de Robert Christian namar bo don ka pisa but ka organization ka jongu ka support ya ka agenda jong ka depopulation Henry u Ted Turner de RC Christian Namar bo Ted Turner udangim, but u Robert Christian ulayap. Namar bo Wyatt Martin try jeng ka bang, but happy saw Robert Christian ulaong bo Robert Christian, but mau kijiyat ho shiti way. Tan ado dalayap u Robert Christian. Henry yakini ki shiti u Robert Christian jukpa na ka juga jaka, upa ni ki jaka bo pair. Kanang ba kibriyo kinumlap yu. U Martin ulaklat no Pynbthei December jongusnem arjar arpuway. But shwabu Martin unyap ulaong bo Robert Christian ulaklat hadin usnem arjar. But ulaong ru bo Robert Christian udon ni kaway ka khud kantay. Usnem arjar san kaway ka film company kabaju shnai ki documentaries po fair. Kalay kendo yu Martin. But kiniginong shna film kila karpadiu bun pun Iaki Yakita ki shiti bo Robert Christian ujupa siya u. Hagabaning kong u Martin u klemtre. Henry hadien pat usakot ikiniginong siya na documentary but upun Iaki yakita ki shiti balapa siya u dau Robert Christian. Hakapor bo Martin upun ikiniginong siya na documentary yakita ki shiti uyale abid banburi yak address balato but puni yakita ki shiti ki wanday. Henry uniu cameraman uyo ban ring tu yak wake envelope kabadon hapok tiko box kababu ikita ki shiti but day hang nigin begin si ka address jong Robert C. Christian but hadin bigla ka ni address ki video ki ba ka ni video kila stong ban wad ka ni address but kaway ni ka address kapani bakawan no wiu doctor u bakarteng u Herbert Kirsten kari ka kantin German bala da translate lani larapan kalaya ka siya ka paring kawan siya ka kateng Christian. But u Kirsten uyap haus nem arjarsan. But kat kum ka history jong Kirsten udon menta katama babar. But u deiru brio ba iye ka environment lani ya ka may mariang. But u support pa yak issue ki bayadey haka population. Udon saungot ki khun but u Kirsten ru udon kaway ka khun gantay. Uni ubrio bakwa man pendunay ka population jaka Pynbthei Iaki but ubakwa baki brio kindon tang iway ikon ka Pynbthei yala dipat udon saungot kikon. Haka handru tarik jung Pynbthei July arajar arpoar ka CCTV kalwabu hajanjagi Georgia Guidestones kalapani. Yo wiu brio bomare sa janjagi ni Georgia Guidestones haka wika janmid. Batang harian katukan ni second labetay gini ki Georgia Guidestones. Don batip hadu menta Babano Pynbthei Iaki ki mau. Henry kat kum gajing sngo gajungi kabha mukim don shu kini ki mau hangte hapo Georgia. But bakini ki elites kim de ban yo yakata ka bor ban sin sharingi. But baka plan junki ban baduna bari hapo pertheiru kanom de ban urlong. Kini ki brio kini ki elites ki bakwa ingi magini ban im nakata ka one child policy kabumut magini ban yo tangi wi khun. Muki ala dipat ki abun khun. Rockefeller udan rungut ki khun. William Shockley udan lai. R.C. Christian ubangitip kumu Dr. Kirsten udan saungut ki khun. Henry ki briupat ki kwa ki begin follow ya kata ka one child policy. Kini ki briu kini ki elites ki decide lani ki dan bor halor ka jingim ka jungi. Bon na pi ki bom sngut ho. Bon na pi ki bom pay pang. Bon na pi pimut magani ka perthei ka long ka perthei ka vasuk. Henry ki bon ki jing jasha lindat ki bom pi pimpat sngut ho. Wad ya ka jing shisha. Lano Ngin Kyndit.